Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cookie and today you're watching another Cookie video. Today we're going to do a summoning session for the Jing Yuan banner, but we're not rolling specifically for Jing Yuan himself. The characters I'm most interested in are the 4 stars, specifically Ting Yun. Close second would be Su Shang because I do need more Eidolon's copy of her. And maybe last one would be March, but I already have Japar, so it's fine. But yeah, I have 0 copies of Ting Yun, so hopefully I get at least 1. But in the most ideal world, I do want E6 of her. So do I want to roll for the weapons? Probably not, because I'm only aiming for the 4 stars characters anyways. If I do get Jing Yuan, maybe. If not, then I could just, you know, use the free to play or the ones I got during the rolls. Anyway, let's go ahead and start the first multi. Granted, if I see a rainbow, that's a plus, I guess, but like I said, we're just rolling for the 4 stars. So every purple you see upon those doors is always a good sign. What? Bro, you're not even rate up. Jesus Christ. Okay. I already have E6 Natasha. Well, way beyond that actually, but... Alright, we have another purple. Alright, let's go. Ting Yun. I already have all the relics prepared for her. Great, I don't need March. She's the least out of the 4 stars that I want, but... Ooh! Nice. Okay, good roll, good roll. Sweet. Ting Yun Harmony. Nice. Alright, now for E6. Okay, I'm a little ahead of myself. E1 first, but... That was another purple, right? At least I hope it is, but... Pom-pom looking nice as usual. Let's go. Of course, I do want Su Shang as well for more... I don't know what the rest of her Eidolon's effects are, but... More copies of Su Shang would be nice too. Damn it. Make the world... I already have the light cone anyway, so... But... I guess it would be good for... Serval. Damn, so far no 5 stars, but I'm not really complaining since I'm only looking for the 4 stars anyway, so it's fine. Come on, Ting Yun. Oh, nice! Damn, that splash art looks fucking fine. Nice. Nice. Good. More stuff. More Ting Yun, please. Always the priority over here. Love to see it. Okay. Keep going. Su Shang or Ting Yun, but mainly Ting Yun. Oh! Dance, okay. Wait. Why does it say new? I thought I had this before. Great. Okay, well, I could give this to my Ting Yun. Yeah, what the... I thought I had this. That's interesting. Great, I only have 4k left. Purple, yep. Ting Yun, please. Or Su Shang. Okay. Ah, damn it. Okay, no, it's fine. March is great though. Like, I'm not gonna downplay her gameplay. She is a really good unit. I just don't use her. Who knows, maybe I will. If I have like... If I'm done with like building my main team. Wait, why am I disappointed though? That's what I want. Maybe deep down I really wanted that golden door. Or that yellow door, I mean. Oh! Whoa, the Moswell cookie. I already had that one. Please. Is this all? Don't tell me that's all. Oh, shit. No way. Ain't no way this is it. Alright. Well, there you have it. Well, I did roll what I wanted, which is a copy of Jing Yuan. Hell, I even have an extra. Now, I would be even more happy if I have more copies of her. But, you know, knowing me, I'd probably try to roll a bit more as well later on. But for now, I am pretty happy with what I got. Now, for Light Cone, I'm debating between Dance Dance Dance. Is this Dance Dance Dance? Yeah, Dance 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 or the Carve the Moon. Because initially I thought Carve the Moon would be her best in slot. But I've seen a lot of recommendations for Dance Dance Dance. Because you can know, with the Advanced 4, it's pretty useful. It's actually game changing, apparently. As for this one, it gives you buffs. But yeah, I might switch between the two, but I'll try out Dance 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 first as my main light cone for Jing Yuan. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe if you guys want to see more polling videos. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next one.